Now I want to show you the tool that I'm using to boost my business on Facebook. Okay, I'm going to this website and here we are. I'm at this popular tool that I'm using, and it's an amazing tool. The first thing we're going to do in this video, I'm going to show how to set up this tool to work and make money on Facebook. So basically this tool has been created to retrieve information about users on the internet according to some keywords. You can retrieve email addresses and telephone numbers of users and businesses according to special Facebook ID or post of Facebook fans pages or Facebook groups, or even from Facebook accounts, so from friends and friends on friends. And here you can see that you have many opportunities. You have also a chart here, and here according to what you want to achieve in your business, you have different account. Of course, the more you pay, the more you have. Here you get the various options. Have a look at this. I have also linked to this in my resource area, and we will see all these functions in the next videos, and you will see how amazing this tool is to expand your list on Facebook and for your email marketing campaigns.